Hi lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to stack two-tier fondant cake. You need your dowel rod. You can also use PVC pipe. You get it from building material shop. But what I use here is dowel rod. This is like smaller size of dowel rod. The cake is size 9, 4 layers. That is 9 by 9 inches high. So all you need to do is to mark out the place that the second tier will be sitting on. The second tier is size 6. So you have to mark it round, then and place your dowel rod. There is no specific number of the dowel rod you have to put. All you need to do is just to put the one that you think it will carry the weight of the next step of cake, that is the next tier of cake. Then you put your stacking board. I use a thick carton here, so you can get the stacking board from baking shop, or you get a carton, clean carton, then you wrap it with cling film. All you need to do is to wrap the carton with cling film and open the center of the carton. The essence of opening the middle is for the dowel rods that will be holding the two cake to pass. Dowel rod that can hold the two cakes to pass. Then in this cake, I place a calabash on it. Then you have to put another dowel rod on the second tier that can hold, or that will hold the calabash, that will carry the weight of the calabash. Do you understand? So you place it and place a little carton and place your. This is how you stack your cake without your cake falling in the hall or falling where your celebrant is celebrating. So this is perfect way you stack your cake. Here I was trying to remove the bead that will place on the base because I noticed the cake was not centralized, so I have to centralize it and place the bead back. So for you to get it right, you need to mark out where the second tier is going to sit on, the exact place. Then you position all your dowel rods you need to insert. Then you place your stacking board and place your cake. This is safest way of stacking without your cake falling in the hole. Thank you for watching, my amazing subscribers. Love you guys. See the cake now, so beautiful. All right, bye.